Good job. Hang on. Hey, Daddy's here. Come on, let's go see him. He's inside. Okay, bye. Bye, Delilah. See, I told you. Look. It's going to be dinner time. We're going to go inside.
I have to go inside with you.